Now, Channel 3 early warning weather with meteorologist Mark Dixon.
All right, it is September 4th. We're heading into the holiday weekend, and Mother Nature really has nice weather planned for us over the next several days. We're ending the week on a warm note. Our average high is 79. Here in the noon hour, we're already in the low 80s up and down the 91 corridor. We've got mid 70s in the Northwest Hills, 81 in Willimantic, 77 Groton, 78 currently in Waterbury. So pleasantly warm sums it up because as the afternoon progresses, as a cold front moves through and does so dry, the wind is switching to the west and northwest, and that's filtering some drier air into the state. So that is going to allow that humidity to decrease. You can already see, for instance, throughout southern and southeastern Connecticut, we do have dew point values close to 70. Meanwhile, up near the Massachusetts border, northern northwest Connecticut, already down into the upper 50s. So that drier air will continue to drain south and southeast as we head through the afternoon. So right now, our ICAM view from Hartford showing a mix of sun and clouds, more sunshine and blue sky than cloud cover. There's a nice blend of sun and clouds looking live over the Brass City of Waterbury, and our view from New Haven showing more of the same, and also from our ICAM view from southeastern Connecticut, hoping to show you from New London, looking good too. If you're heading to area beaches today, temperatures topping out in at least the lower 80s. High tide happening now from late morning into the early afternoon hours. Remember the sunscreen, and if you're planning time at area beaches over the coming days, again, what we're experiencing now is basically what's on tap for the next couple of days. A little bit cooler for tomorrow and Sunday, and then back into the low 80s for Labor Day Monday. So throughout the region, again, not much happening. This front is making its way through southern New England right now. So again, behind this front, we're trending less humid. So, and also a little bit cooler, but the cooler air is going to lag behind. It's tomorrow when temperatures are going to be in the mid and upper 70s. In the meantime, this afternoon, we're going to top out between 80 and 85. And you can already see the arrival of that drier air working into southern New England. So that will set the stage for some cooler mornings and as well, just very comfortable afternoons. And it's not until Tuesday into Wednesday of next week that that humidity will start to increase yet again. So Futurecast looking at tomorrow's weather today through the course of our Friday afternoon, mainly clear, just some scattered clouds like we currently have, and then any clouds that we have will erode as the evening progresses, mainly clear overnight. And then tomorrow for our Saturday, forecasting ample sunshine from when it rises to when the sun sets in the evening. So any sort of cloud cover or rain should stay well to the west and northwest of Connecticut through tomorrow afternoon and evening. With regard to the tropics, we've had Omar and Nana, but all those most recent storms have been weakening, have made landfall, have diminished, have weakened. So there's a couple of tropical waves coming off the coast of Africa right now. We'll keep you updated on how those progress, of course, as we head forward in time, but no named systems currently throughout the Atlantic basin. So back here in Connecticut, if you're planning to do some yard work for perhaps some yard games, if you're doing some grilling this weekend, going for a jog, a bike ride, the weather will certainly cooperate. Look at these cooler mornings. 54 tomorrow, even cooler by Sunday morning. That's when some of those usual cooler spots could dip into the upper 40s. In the meantime, tomorrow afternoon, mid to upper 70s, back into the low 80s on Sunday with a mix of sun and clouds. Labor Day Monday, warmer by about 5 degrees above average, back into the mid 80s. And then again, middle of next week is when the humidity starts to ramp back up. That's also when morning lows go back into the 60s. And it's not until Thursday of next week that we see our next shot at some rain. We could certainly use it as we are still in moderate to severe drought conditions throughout parts of Connecticut. For shoreline highs this weekend, 79 tomorrow and Sunday, then low 80s for Labor Day Monday.